is enjoying the status. People across the globe know that what India is doing in US. People across the globe know that what India is doing with the Sikh community in Canada. But still, India is enjoying this status. So what kind of diplomatic impunity it is?
We are doing all the right things. We just need to be consistent about that. The recent report by the United Nations about the Pahalgam and the so-called Sindoor operation is again the proof that people have, like the international community, had reservation about this entire episode, and now they are openly documenting these events, that the Pahalgam operation was a false flag, and the attack on Pakistan's sovereignty and integrity was unprecedented. So, and it was uncalled for, and United Nations was not in the loop, and there was no consent by the international community. And what India did was a blatant act of terrorism. So that report itself is a proof that we are on the right track, and we just have to be consistent about that. And so far, India and its diplomatic efforts are concerned, India is diplomatically isolated, not only in the region. The only friend India has right now is Afghanistan and Israel.